Alright, hey guys, so today we're doing a little unboxing. So I'm unboxing something I just got from Amazon. So I don't know which video I'm uploading first. If I'm going to upload the one with the seeds first and the dirt, or maybe I just put this with that. So these are the 5-tier planters. I'm going to insert a video to show what my gardening space looks like. It's
for office supplies and for stuff that and that is what we're going to aim for first. So I have two filter parts. One is
very small, it's just a balcony. So let's see what it is. So we received, and this is what it looks like. I think it's small. I thought it was going to be bigger, but this is it. But I did order this is a 5-tier, and I ordered a 7-tier. So let's see. So this is also a card, vertical gardening. This one doesn't come with the wheels. The other one that I bought comes with the wheels, so that I can rotate them. I don't know, maybe I can get the wheels separate. But yeah. And this 5 set was $29.99. So I'm going to do some planting tonight. I think I'm just going to plant flowers tonight. I started the sweet pepper and because these are the sweet peppers are going in these, and the string bean are going in these. So we're going to see how that works out. So we're gonna garden together. I'm doing flowers as well because once you're doing any type of food crop, you need flowers as well. I was supposed to get some fertilizer. I haven't gotten it yet. That's why I'm not going to start the carrot and the lettuce. More than the lettuce, I'll go the carrot. Let's see. But I don't know. Maybe they can do some good flowers and some smaller crop. Definitely, I think they can do the lettuce. But everything we're gonna just try and we're gonna see how it goes. So this is it. So I'm gonna pull there. Cause it's supposed to come with pull down. Oh, it go. So it looks like this is how it starts. So you just put them in through the little grooves here. But some other ones that I was seeing online, they come with a little circle thing in the middle so that you can for the water to filter. But this one not come with it at all. This one not come with it at all. So there you go, cheapness. Oh, see? Yeah, you just start them regular with the pressure of the dirt. That's what will take them in. So we're gonna see how it goes.